steady throttle. What was your throttle doing? You have no power here, so your bike goes down. Okay? You gotta keep a steady throttle. If you're vibrating that throttle, you're gonna go down because you can't see where you're doing it. You had some nice turns in there though.
Wait. Turn this hand around. Hold on. Stand for a second. You're nice and low, right? You're low. Both your hands are facing out. Here. Here.
Yeah.
Not this. This you're not going to hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Here and here. Don't touch your brake. You're in gear. Low and move.
Okay. You have the other side, right?
You have a bad knee.
Well, we're here to help you. You don't have to do it all by yourself. We're just going to start it. Let's see you get it moving.
Bend the knee.
You're pretty low. Try coming up a little bit.
He's got a bad knee.
Oh.
Yeah.
I need one of these.
There you go. Good. Steady.
Get it,
Get that brake down.
Is it down?
Yeah.
You're good.
Just remember, cool kids drop their bike.
See, every time I drop the bike, I try to make sure it goes slow. I don't.
Sometimes
Oh, of course.
Is too.
Yeah,
Okay.
a couple times today.
Get back on. Keep riding. Yeah. That doesn't get you out of it. No. And you don't get to stop now.
Here.
You got 2 more goes.